Minister Nongthom Birna Lutengo BJP Lengak Asina, Tongan Machingi district Singda, Chatuna, Mafam Aduda, Paikan Liba Chauka Taurangi Tabak Sing, Yang Sinbaga Loinana, Cabinet Mifam Pangtokuna Lagli. Masigi Sarukama Oinangasi Tamenong District Headquarter da, Cabinet Mifam Pangtokaduri. Masigi Demak Chief Minister N. Biren Amadi, Cabinet Minister Singh, Nasi Ayupung Tramato Minute Kulom Tabamatamda, Tamenong District Tungkre. Chief Minister Amadi Cabinet Minister Singna Tamenong da Tungkiba Matamda District Adugi Miyamna Haraukta Yamna okay. Kongsat asi the Chief Minister na Tamenong District ta Paikat Kadaba Chaukotorangi Tabakaya Uribu yung Tambag Loinana Project Karana Sangagani Loinana Tamenong Minister Secretariat Cabinet Mitam Amasu Bangtokani. Manipur Legang ngarang pangthokiba Yankayumdoi suba Manipur gi Statehood Day gi thoramda Assam gi DGP Gyanendra Pratap yauna Assam Police ki Officer Mapanda Commendation Certificate lanthokuna ikai khumnaba utpirakpabu DGP Gyanendra Pratap na apen phongdoragli DGP na mahaki official X handle da thagalakliba post amada mahakaloina na Assam gi Police Officer Mapanbu Manipur Legang ikai khumnaba ulakpa asi yamna nungai Assam gi Dergaon da leiba Lachit Barfukan Police Academy da Manipur Police ki MR amadi IRB Battalion ani training pibada thawai yauna hona bibagi damakta Manipur Lengang na ikai khumnaba upirakpani hairaduna Manipur ki Chief Minister Nongthom Birenbu haingai leitana thagatpa phongdokhi loinana Assam ki Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma na Police Academy asibu awangba thakta pukhatpibagi damakta su thagatpa phongdokhi arang pangthokiba Manipur State Hood Day gi thoram aduda DGP Gyanendra Pratap Masamak Yaubangam Khidrabasu, Assam Police ki IG Achilles Kumar Singhana, Assam Police ki Maut Silaga Thoram Adu Sarugyaki, Loinana Chief Minister Nongthom Birena, Commendation Certificate Sing Adu, IG Achilles Kumar da Kusinaki. Commendation Certificate Dauraba Matungda, IG Achilles Kumar na Paumi Singda Phongdokiba Wafam Khara.
When we received the proposal from Manipur government that they proposed to have them trained with Assam Police, we thought and we said, yes, it's a very good opportunity for fostering the brotherhood feeling between the two states and to contribute to the national integration. So we immediately accepted the proposal and we got them all. And though 1950 is a big number, keeping them at one place was a challenge even for Assam Police, but we managed them to keep all of them together at one place at Dergaon because that is a bigger training institute, and we all kept them together so that they had themselves have a good feeling of brotherhood. And all that journey of almost 11 months plus of training there, it was very good because we got them. They were in various age groups, they were in various physical conditions. So as per their conditions, we trained them, we gave them exposure of everything which a police officer needs to know, policeman, which they will have to face in future. And we got them not only the hard skills but also the soft skills and how to deal with public and how to face insurgency and how to deal with the what sorts of divides are there in the society. So we have trained them well and we are hopeful that they will be doing their bit for the cause of the nation and Manipur in particular.
India ki Humdra Taruk Suba Republic Day Numitna Lakpada State ki Thak the Pangthok Kadaba Republic Day Thorunga Mari Lenana Chathakadaba Parade ki Damakta Full Dress Rehearsal Ama Lagliba Tang Kunmarida Pangthok Lagani Haina Manipur Police Department ki Traffic Control Wing ki SP Pramesh Arambamna Thadrok Cherol Amana Kangalagli January ki Tang Kunmari the Pangthok Kadoriba Full Dress Rehearsal Amadi January ki Tang Kuntaruk the Pangthok Kadoriba State Level Republic Day Thorumgi Ayuki Pung Taruma Khaidagi Hogani Hairi Hariba numit ani asigi oina thorum tauringai gi manungda Imphal manungi oina traffic route singda ahongba khara leigani hairi ahongba asigi matungina lilongda gi singjamai romda lakpa heavy vehicles sing pisum thong romda divert taugani moirangkhom romda lakpa public vehicles singna kaisam thong romda mayang Imphal romda gi lakpa gari singna tidim line natraga wahingom laikai romda korengai dagi khongang ani karak romda lakpa gari singna dingku road natraga assembly road Imphal East-gi Minuthong amadi Sanjemthong romda lakpa gari singna Lamlong Bridge, Loglaubung, Thumbuthong natraga Singjamai Bridge romda उरीपोक कांगचुक रोड तगी बीर टिकेंद्रजीत फ्लाईओवर ब्रिज रोम दा लाकपा गाड़ी सिंगा नगामपाल रोम दा न्यू कसा रोड रोम दगी लाकपा गाड़ी सिंगा नगामपाल नत्रगा कैसांपाल रोम दा तिदिम रोड तगी कैसांपाल रोम दा लाकपा गाड़ी सिंगा वाहिंगोम लेकाई नत्रगा मयांग इम्फाल रोड रोम दा खोयाथोंग अमदी थामैबन दगी LIC क्रॉसिंग रोम दा लाकपा गाड़ी सिंगा नगामपाल रोम दा अमदी खुमानपाक अमसुंग MMTA दगी नॉर्थ AOC रोम दा लाकपा गाड़ी सिंगा MMTA क्रॉसिंग फाउरगा मिनुथोंग रोम दा डाइवर्ट तौगनी हारी हारिबा ट्रैफिक डाइवर्सन असी VIP इनवाइटीज अमदी इमरजेंसी सर्विस की गाड़ी सिंग दी ओइनदी कोमथोकनी हाया चेरोल असिना मखा तारी।